banana chocolate mini banana chocolate. So good, so good. Made from yellow and brown cows.
What?
Yeah, that's how you make chocolate banana milk.
Good morning!
Good morning!
So we have packed everything onto our bikes and we are on our way to actually leave Senja. Unfortunately, it is time to get further down south, but we had such a good time here and wow, if you have the possibility, go here.
And stay here.
Yes, stay here. And it doesn't matter the weather, the view is still just so beautiful from this cabin. Oh. So today I think we have counted for like 6-7 hours.
Yeah, 6 or 7. According to the GPS, it's 6 hours and 20 minutes with a ferry as well from Bogness over. There's a ferry on the E6 that we need to get, and then we're gonna try and head down to Øyra Camping, which is a pretty lovely camping as it looks like from the pictures.
Yeah.
So I think we're gonna head down there and make camp there for the night, and then tomorrow we'll head down even further, but doing the coastal road.
Coastal road. So that is our main goal for the next couple of days, just to go down south by the coast and see, like take all of these different ferries and just see the beautiful landscape. And after that we're going to Ålesund.
Yes, let's gear up and let's head off to Ålesund.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah. Banana chocolate mini banana chocolate. So good, so good. Made from yellow and brown cows.
What?
Yeah, that's how you make chocolate banana milk.
It's not the first time that I'm happy. It's not the first time I feel good. But it's been a while since that happened, knock on wood. I try to stay cool on the surface. I'd ask you to stay if I could. Though my lips are sealed, you still get me, yeah you do. That's why I said that we should be more than a couple. Of hours is not enough. So kiss me again and again and again, the way it should be. You see, we're more than a couple of hours away from love. So kiss me again and again and again, just give me goosebumps. Ooh. wherever your heart wants to be. I'll try to keep up in your shadow, feeling good. And if we move too fast, I will tell you. I'll ask you to stop, but I won't. The way that we both feel about this just means go. That's why I said that we should be more than a couple. Of ours is not enough. So kiss me again and again and again, the way it should be. You see, we're more than a couple. Of hours away from love. So kiss me again and again and again. You give me goosebumps. That's why I said that we should be more than a couple. Of hours is not enough. So kiss me again and again and again, the way it should be. You see, we're more than a couple. Of hours away from love. So kiss me again and again and again. I said that we should be more than a couple. Of hours is not enough. So kiss me again and again and again, the way it should be. You see, more than a couple. Of hours away from love. So kiss me again and again and again, just give me goosebumps.
After 3 amazing days in Senja, it was time to move on. Our next destination, Øyra Camping, about a 10-hour ride ahead of us. Leaving Senja wasn't easy. We honestly wished we could have stayed a little longer. This island is one of the most beautiful places we've ever been to. Towering mountains, crystal clear waters, and roads that make every turn feel like a postcard. But our plan was to keep heading south, following the coastal road with all its ferries, a route we'd been dreaming of riding for a long time. Even though we were feeling a bit tired after several long riding days, we were still excited to see more of Norway. Looking back, we definitely should have spent more time exploring Senja. There's just so much to see there, and our schedule was a little too tight to fully take it all in. Next time we come back, because we absolutely will, we'll make sure to slow down, stay longer, and really soak it all in. If you ever get the chance to come here, do it. Northern Norway truly deserves a trip of its own.
you move both gentle and wild. If only I could feel you for a while. I can't hear anymore. Now you are all I'm waiting for. I can't eat, I can't sleep no more. Haunted by your scent through every open door. Try to breathe, try to reach for you, but all I feel is hollow coming through. I can't hear anymore. Now you are all I'm waiting for. I am fading more and more. You are the part I can't let go. Can't let go, go, 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 go.
I just want to give a shout out to all the people, the amazing Norwegian people that we have met on this trip. They have all been so kind to us, giving us plenty of really good tips. Thank you to all of you, because it really made our trip so much more fun.
Great job.